Hello, dear. Happy Friday. Hi.
Hi.
Hello, dear. How are you? Is everything okay?
Yes, it's fine.
Oh, that's good to hear. How about dinner? Have you eaten your dinner? What did you eat?
Yeah,
What did you
I
have?
want chicken.
Oh, what else aside from chicken? Do you eat rice at dinner?
Yeah.
What if there is no rice? Would you still eat?
What?
What if there is no rice? Only chicken, vegetables?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, you have another hair clip. And I have here a new toy. Okay, I will show you. Here. Okay,
Oh,
it's a star. Okay, can we sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? Okay,
okay.
let's sing. Twinkle
Twinkle, twinkle, little
star,
how I wonder, little
what
star.
you are up
Up
above the sky so high, like a
the
diamond
diamond
In the sky.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star,
What you are. Okay, here's your star, my dear. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Okay. There's two of them, actually. The stars and a heart. Okay. Two of them, stars and heart. Okay, star is for you and heart is for teacher. Okay. Okay, my dear. Now let's go to our lesson here. Here. Okay. Let's review. One day would you like to? Okay. Here. Okay, you can say one day I
It's
would.
finished.
Okay, but
So
you can say them again. Okay, you can say one day I don't want
one
to
day,
sail. I
one
don't want.
day, what? One day,
You can.
I want, I want to, I want, I want, I don't know.
Okay, you can say, my dear, one day I don't want. One day I want to sail around an island or climb a mountain. Okay,
One
very.
day, I would like to, I would like to climb a mountain.
What else?
Uh, uh, fly above the clouds, ride on an elephant, and walk
And
under of water. One day, I don't like to run on islands, travel to the moon, sleep under the star,
make
make
friends.
friends with an alien.
Okay, good job. Very good, my dear. Now let's go here. Okay, let's make some friends. And you will ask them. Okay, let's imagine I am your friend, I am your classmate, and I will ask you. Okay, first question. My dear, do you like reading?
Yes.
Why? You can say, I like reading because. Why do you like reading? Okay, my dear, what's your answer? I like reading.
I like reading because 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 I have many books.
Okay, because I have many books here. Okay, very good. Okay, next question. Okay, dear classmate, do you often go to the library?
Yes.
And what do you do in the library? You can say, yes, I go always to the library because. Why do you go to the library?
Because I'm reading a book.
Okay, because I like to read a book. And the library is very quiet. right? It is very quiet, not noisy. Okay. You can say in a quiet place. Okay, very good. Next question. Classmate, do you
Do
have...
you
Okay,
read a lot of books for school?
okay. What is your answer?
Mm, I don't know.
Do you read lots of books?
Yes.
Yes, you can say yes, I do, especially when...
Yes, I do.
I do, especially when I have many homeworks to do, right?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Number 4 question.
Do you love reading stories on the internet?
Oh, what is your answer? Have you read a story on the internet? Do you know the story of Snow White and Cinderella?
What?
Do you know the story of Snow White or
No,
Cinderella?
no.
Okay. So what stories do you read on the internet? Okay, let's try here. I will show you a story on the internet like this. Okay, let's try. Cinderella cartoon.
Zootopia.
Utopia. Okay. Okay, here I will find you a story. Here. Do you know this story? Have you seen this one? Have you seen it, my dear? Cinderella. Do you
Cinderella.
do you
No,
know this?
I don't like that.
Oh, okay. So what else? What story do you read on the internet?
I watch. I watch the film
What film?
China,
Oh, okay. Is that good?
Korea, China and Korea.
Oh, okay. And another one here. Okay, next question. How about this one, my dear? Do you... Okay. Can you help teacher here?
Wait for me. I just that the hand every day to the hand is very beautiful.
Oh, okay.
Do you know that?
The hand? What did you say? Hand, hair?
Look,
Oh,
my hand.
you painted your nails?
No, my my
You have
hands is very tall. Look.
long. Okay, you can say I have long fingers and they are beautiful. Okay. Have you tried painting your nails? Have you tried painting your nails? No, not yet.
Yes.
Putting colors on your nails? Have you tried that?
Teacher, my hands is beautiful.
Yes. For me, your hands are beautiful and pretty. Like
Do you show, teacher, do you show my hands?
your hand?
Yes, you.
Ah, my
Your
hands.
hands.
My hands are short and they are not pretty.
My hand
Okay.
is tall.
Long. You mean long. You can say my fingers are long.
My finger is long.
Are. My fingers are long and they are beautiful. Okay, wait. Okay, my dear, let's go here. Number 5. Can you help me here? Do you? Okay. Do you or your parents? Okay, what's the question? Okay.
Do you or your parents read a books?
Okay, e-books.
E-books? No.
Oh, okay. Next one. Do you? How about this one? Do you like? Okay, my dear, number 6, please. Can you help teacher?
Okay. Do you like reading? Do you often go to the library?
Number
Teacher.
6. Number 6, my dear.
Okay. Do you like reading funny, sad, or exciting story?
Okay, what is your answer? Which
Yes.
one? Okay,
I like reading funny.
okay. How about sad stories
And I have the scary story.
and scary stories too? Oh no.
Harry
Okay.
Potter.
Oh, do you read? Oh, you read Harry Potter. What else? Do you have one? Do you have a book? Harry Potter?
I don't have the book's funny story. I have the dragons
Can you
of
show me the title? Can you? Oh, the dragons.
of Peking.
Oh,
Of Peking.
oh, Peking. Okay, green. Is that a green dragon?
Yes, that is English.
Oh, oh, have you read that already?
Yes.
Yes, once upon a
Yeah,
time.
I read for you. One, na, once there was a poor prince who ruled
Poor prince.
a group of peasants living in a cluster of wooden huts in some dry, dusty field. This
Okay.
little place was called Peking Harbor River.
Okay. So it means the story is about a prince who is
Yeah.
poor and is living with peasants. Okay, that's a nice story. Very good, my dear. You keep on reading that book in your free time. Okay, next question. Okay, my dear, number 7, please help teacher. Would you
like to read a story about a famous or important parents?
person? Do you know what is famous?
Yes, I know.
Okay, when you say famous, everyone knows you. Okay, like the singer Rosé. Everyone knows Rosé, so she is famous. Who else? Who other person?
Lisa.
Yes, Lisa. So would you like to read a story about a famous person?
Yes, Lisa. Oh
Oh,
no, Rose.
okay. Rosé is your favorite. Okay, and for the next slide, okay, I will be Tom and you will be Jane. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Hello, Jane. What are you reading? Okay, what's your answer? A, B, or C? Hello, Jane. What are you reading? What will you answer?
My friends is talking with me. Hello, Phương. What are you reading? And I say, and I say, and I say,
What did you say?
and I say,
Yes?
here, teacher.
Okay.
My friends say, Phương, what do you, that's the question, and I say, why do you ask?
Okay. So you mean your friends ask you, Fong, what are you reading? Or what do you do?
Yes.
And you said, why do you ask?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay, so let's pretend here that Tom is also your friend and he is asking you too. Okay, again, let's say, hello, Jane. What are you reading?
Hmm.
Okay, what's your answer? A, B, or C? Hello,
B
Jane. Uh,
B
what's B?
B is empathy.
Okay. Okay, letter B here
Do
says,
you do you know World Cup in 2026?
what is that?
World Cup 2026. You don't know?
No, I'm sorry, teacher.
One Cup is World Cup 2026.
I'm sorry,
In the
teacher. Has
world.
no.
Cristiano Ronaldo, Messi, Mbappe, Neymar,
Oh, okay. The one
the soccer
playing
player. The
okay,
soccer player.
soccer
Do you
player.
don't know?
Yes,
You
I
don't
remember
know.
now. I remember now. I know Messi. He is
Messi,
also
Ronaldo,
famous.
Neymar, Yaman,
Okay, who else do you know? They are famous.
Haaland.
Yes, they are famous persons. Okay, my dear, let's go back here. What's your answer? Letter B.
Cristiano.
Okay. Okay, let's read letter B, please. Can you help, teacher?
A book about a boy and his boat.
Okay, again. Hello, Jane. What are you reading? What's your answer?
Ở đây cũng chị. Ngủ đây mà.
A book. Again, please. A book about.
A book about a boy and his boat.
Okay. Let's go let's try another one. I will be Tom again.
9 giờ.
What did the boy do? What's your answer? What did the boy do?
He saw around the world.
Okay, very good.
Funny story.
Yes. Number 2. I'm Tom again. Who gave you the book? What's your answer?
Hello.
Who gave you the book? Number 2. What's your answer?
My dad bought it.
Very good. Number 3. I'm Tom again. Do you like the book? What's your answer? Do you like the book? Okay, my dear, you have to brush your teeth after our lesson, right? Okay, my dear, what's your answer? Number 3. Do you like the book?
Yes.
Letter?
A.
Huh? Yes, you are, or yes, I do?
I do.
Okay, letter C. Number 4. I'm Tom again. Is it a very long book? Is it a very long book?
There aren't many pages.
Okay, letter.
What?
Letter A.
B.
B? B or A?
A.
Okay, letter A. Okay. And the last one, number 5. I'm Tom again. Can I read it after you?
What?
Can I read it after you? What's your answer? A, B, or C?
No.
Okay, what's your answer, my dear? A, B, or C? Can I read
Yes,
it?
okay. Yes, okay.
Okay. Yes, you can read it. Very good. Okay, and the next one here. Where are you? Here. Okay, we got the correct answer. Good job. You have a perfect score, 100 over 100. Yay, good job. Okay, my dear. Oh, what's this in the picture? Okay, let us read words. Number 1 word.
It's time. Teacher, is any time. It's 2 minutes.
Okay,
You
let's finish this up. Okay,
no.
first word is present.
Person tired downstairs. Woman by will swim page raining. Yes!
Yes, okay.
No. Wait. I don't want to play. Person tired downstairs. Woman by will swim page raining. Person tired downstairs. Woman by will swimming page raining.
Very good.
Person tired downstairs.
Okay, let's sing this one.
Downstairs.
Present, tired, downstairs, woman by whales. Okay, you put a tone. Okay, in 3,
Okay.
2, 1.
Person tired downstairs. Woman by whales. What? Woman by the whales.
Oh no! Yes, woman by whales. Oh no, that's so big. And the last one.
Teacher, wait. In the downs it's half percent, and she's tired, and she is
Going
see the
downstairs.
percent. Yes, downstairs, and she is the present.
Okay.
Swim page rainy. Swim page.
Page raining. Okay, we
Here
have
is
a new
that.
song. You made a new song now. Present tired downstairs. Woman by whales. Swim page raining. Okay, my dear. Very good. It's time
Yes.
now. So bye bye. Good
Goodbye.
night. Sleep well.